Hello everyone, this is Ritika and I am Saranya's mother. She is a sketcher and a painter, and I really think that this Bala Kala Vikas is a very good platform for her to showcase her talent and to encourage her, because today she has won a third prize also for her work. I would like to congratulate our founder of the Eshwariah Gallery, and he is the one who has been introducing all the new talent in this forum. I really feel happy and proud, and I think he should continue this good work and encourage all the new talent to come up and showcase their work and encourage them as they are doing it. Thank you so much.
We are back. Bala Kala Vikas 2025 Art Exhibition and Art Workshops from 10th May to 14th May 2025 at Eshwariah Art Gallery, Ameerpet, Madhuranagar. Children aged between 6 to 18 years can participate. See you at Bala Kala Vikas 2025 Art Exhibition and Art Workshops. Enroll.